Welcome to the Top Benefits of Agricultural Machinery YouTube channel, where we explore modern agricultural machinery. So, let's get started. Have you ever thought about the sheer effort that goes into harvesting potatoes? I mean, we all love potatoes. Mashed, fried, roasted, you name it. But behind every fluffy baked potato lies a story of hard work, sweat, and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the world of potato harvesters, those incredible machines that have revolutionized one of agriculture's toughest jobs. Picture this. It's a crisp autumn morning, the sun is just peeking over the horizon, and fields of lush green potato plants stretch out as far as the eye can see. Farmers are gearing up for the harvest season, a time that can be both exciting and exhausting. Traditionally, harvesting potatoes was a back-breaking job. Farmers would spend long hours bent over, digging into the earth, pulling up tubers by hand, and sorting them into piles. It was labor-intensive, time-consuming, and let's be honest, pretty tough on the body. But thanks to technology, we now have potato harvesters, machines that simplify this arduous task and make life a whole lot easier for farmers. So, what exactly is a potato harvester? In its simplest form, it's a machine designed to dig up potatoes from the ground, separate them from the soil, and transport them to a collection area, all in one smooth process. Sounds pretty neat, right? But there's so much more to it than just digging up spuds. Let's break it down. First off, there are different types of potato harvesters. Some are small and designed for family farms, while others are massive industrial-sized machines that can cover acres of land in a single day. The smaller harvesters might look like a little tractor with a digging mechanism attached, while the larger ones resemble a cross between a tank and a spaceship. They're equipped with conveyor belts, augers, and even sorting mechanisms to ensure that only the best potatoes make it to market. It's like a potato processing plant on wheels. Now, let's talk about how these machines actually work. When the harvester rolls into a field, its digging mechanism, a series of rotating blades or tines, penetrates the soil, loosening it around the potatoes. This is crucial because potatoes grow underground and they can be pretty stubborn to extract. Once the soil is loosened, the harvester lifts the potatoes to the surface. But it doesn't stop there. The machine also separates the potatoes from the dirt. This is where the conveyor belts come into play, gently moving the potatoes away from the soil, ensuring they're clean and ready for packing. But wait, there's more. Some advanced models even have built-in sorting systems that can differentiate between good and bad potatoes. Imagine that. Machines that can tell the difference between a perfectly round potato and one that's a bit misshapen or bruised. This not only saves time but also ensures that only the best potatoes reach consumers. It's like having a quality control team right in the field. Now you might be wondering, why is all this important? Well, for starters, efficiency. Potato harvesters can significantly reduce the time it takes to harvest a field. What used to take a whole team of workers several days can now be accomplished in just a few hours. This means farmers can spend less time in the field and more time focusing on other aspects of their business. It also allows them to harvest at the optimal time, ensuring the potatoes are at their peak quality and flavor. But let's not forget about the impact on the farmers themselves. The physical toll of hand harvesting can be immense. Many farmers have suffered from back injuries or other ailments due to the repetitive strain of bending over for hours on end. With potato harvesters, they can work more efficiently and with less physical strain. It's a win-win situation. Farmers get to protect their health while still getting the job done. And here's another interesting point. Potato harvesters can also have a positive impact on the environment. By streamlining the harvesting process, farmers can reduce the amount of time machinery is running in the fields, which means less fuel consumption and lower carbon emissions. Plus, with the ability to sort and select the best potatoes, there's less waste overall. It's a step toward more sustainable farming practices, and that's something we can all get behind. Now, Let's take a moment to appreciate the engineering behind these machines. Potato harvesters are a marvel of modern technology. They're designed to be durable, efficient, and adaptable to different soil types and farming practices. Engineers have spent years perfecting the design, ensuring that they can withstand the rigors of agricultural life while still being easy to operate. Many of them are equipped with GPS technology, allowing farmers to map out their fields and optimize their harvesting routes. It's like having a personal assistant right there in the field. So, as we wrap up our exploration of potato harvesters, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. These machines are more than just tools. They represent the intersection of tradition and innovation in agriculture. They simplify one of the toughest jobs in farming, making life easier for farmers and ensuring that we all continue to enjoy the delicious potatoes we love. Next time you sit down to enjoy a plate of fries or a comforting bowl of mashed potatoes, think about the journey those spuds took to get to your table. From the fields to the harvesters and finally to your plate, it's a story of hard work, innovation, and a little bit of magic. Thank you for joining me today on Top Benefits of Agricultural Machinery. If you found this information engaging and informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of modern agricultural machines.